Listen, me I go play the video. I want to hear the voice. But I'm not gonna show the video, but me I go play it. Listen.
Hear this song?
You hear him voice?
What voice there?
Yeah. So tapping eyes now, listen. Tapping eyes and listen. Wait now. Stop your eyes and listen. Come in and play nothing for you.
I try to.
Listen now, Mountain.
Yeah.
Hear this song?
And are you video this with the black gloves with the wallpaper hole in the gloves I want blue shorts with some wallpaper something upon it like one ass. Yeah, blue, yellow, wallpaper ass on the shorts. And are you video this?
Whoa. So me not hear it.
Me hear it,
I want
man.
the blood clot this. I'm Jayden. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, Jayden. You cannot manipulate me, sweetie. You manipulate the internet because you're the king of manipulation.
I'm not manipulating
Let me
nobody.
tell you something, Jayden. You cannot use your head on me. I am different.
Get the video. Jayden tattoo somebody get the video.
It's him video, the blood clot girl just send go give people.
Admit same video. Him tattoo somebody.
I did video it. But I told somebody me send that video there. Me not send that video there on TikTok. No.
So, no, but why you send people to your woman video, bro? Why you send people to your woman?
Why you do it?
I not send people woman video. I wanna colleague them, bro. What we talk every day, bro.
Yeah, but I still a woman, bro. You know for talk. Chat
If your colleagues are pussy,
Jesus Christ.
I mean, I understand.
So that's why you're not.
so that wrong, Jayden, that wrong.
Oh, that's why we stop talk.
We not talk about why you stop talk or why you we not business with that. Why you video
That's
the
wrong,
panty?
Yeah, that wrong, my dad.
Why you video the panty? Why you do that?
Yeah, that wrong.
Why would you video somebody that you sleep with? Send go give somebody or send go give a colleague. Somebody where you lay down head with, you have sex with them, you tell them so them love you. Why would you do that?
Yeah, that wrong, my dad.
That's to show you can't trust people
You
because you
can't
somebody.
be trusted, little boy.
Don't know. That wrong, my dad.
Because you are saying you're sending go give two person. You don't know if the two person are gonna send it out. How me get it? How me get it?
Them two personal people when me trust, you know.
But Jayden, me get the video. That's for sure you say you can't trust nobody.
I tell you somebody cannot be trusted then.
Yeah, you can't trust nobody.
You can't be trusted, the next one can't be trusted.
You can't trust them, Jordan. See it, because Shay get the video.
You're not worried about